Welcome. In this lecture we will continue with work on our game project. I will talk a little bit about physics material and after that about kinematic body. In your function on button down, this is function signal created for your button. As you know here, for button you can with a node card create signal. Just when you click on button down, just click on connect and create it. I think this is done in previous lecture, so you only need to know a little bit about this code. First part, rigid body set custom integrator, is explained, and after that we have a physics material declared. This is our physics material, and this physics material have only one property. This is set bounce. So this material will only have bouncing, and our rigid body use method set physics material override to use our created material with this bounce. So when we start our project, we will have some bouncing from code also, and bouncing from a platform where this is set. In this example, our visible collision shape is active, so you can see collision shapes also. And now we will continue. Click on add child node if your mouse work. My is God save me. And we need kinematic body. So in a search field write kinematic body and find KinematicBody2D create. For the kinematic body need to be created when our root node is selected, don't forget this. And for our kinematic body we will also create one collision shape, and this shape will be a rectangular. Also we can add sprite, and for sprite you can create your own texture. I will use initial Godot texture for this, and here I will create some kind of object. Let me see what is going with collision shape. Okay, good. I will try to create something like this and to have some kind of good. Now I will try to change some invisibility. So under the visibility canvas item you can use modulate and self-modulate. I will try to do something here. Doesn't matter. I don't want to lose much time on this. Maybe to be somehow like this. Okay. Kinematic body, we will reset position, and also for other objects all position will be reset. Now I only need to set collision shape. You know how to do it. This is explained in some of previous tutorial. And with kinematic body we can have a movement, but not movement of the body by themselves. This movement will be movement like interaction we can use keyboard or mouse for object movement. So object will move only if we move it with some kind of device. Now we have kinematic body here. Let's test this. Good, we have bouncing on kinematic body, and we will only change this bounce to something higher. And let's see what's now happening. Okay, we have, I think, good bounce. Okay, we will continue in next lecture to explain how to interact with kinematic body, how to move it on a screen, and this can be base for some kind of game. Thank you for watching.